Hello everyone, welcome back to CarCoutureTV. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric SUVs of the year, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG. This is not just an electrified version of the legendary G-Class, it's a bold step into the future, blending iconic design with cutting-edge EV technology. Stick around as we break down its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, pricing, and, of course, whether it lives up to the G-Wagon legacy. At first glance, the EQG stays true to its roots, maintaining the classic boxy silhouette of the G-Class. But look closer, and you'll spot modern EV-specific touches like the closed-off illuminated front grille with an LED star pattern, futuristic LED lighting signatures, and aerodynamic refinements to improve efficiency. While it retains the rugged appeal with squared-off fenders, prominent roof rails, and a high ground clearance, the EQG also introduces unique 20-inch aero wheels and a redesigned rear panel replacing the traditional spare tire holder with a storage compartment, perfect for charging cables. Step inside, and you're greeted by the perfect blend of old-school luxury and next-generation tech. The EQG's cabin remains unmistakably G-Class with its upright dashboard, grab handle, and premium materials like Nappa leather and real wood trims. However, it now features a fully digital cockpit, including the MBUX Hyperscreen, a massive curved glass display integrating the digital gauge cluster and infotainment system seamlessly. Ambient lighting, a premium Burmester 3D surround sound system, and advanced climate control ensure a first-class experience, while the new off-road mode provides crucial terrain data on the display. Underneath its rugged exterior, the EQG packs serious electric power. Instead of a traditional gas engine, it comes with 4 individual electric motors, one at each wheel, offering precise torque vectoring for exceptional off-road capability. Mercedes hasn't revealed exact power figures, but early estimates suggest around 600 horsepower, allowing it to rival even the V8-powered G63. The EQG features a state-of-the-art battery pack capable of delivering around 300 miles of range, with DC fast charging ensuring quick top-ups on the go. And if you're worried about off-road ability, Mercedes has included the new G-Turn feature, allowing the EQG to spin 360 degrees on the spot, an absolute game-changer for tight trail maneuvers. Mercedes-Benz never skimps on safety, and the EQG is no exception. It's equipped with the latest in driver assistance technology, including active brake assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Thanks to its strong body structure and a newly reinforced battery casing, the EQG ensures top-notch crash protection. Advanced off-road cameras and sensors provide real-time terrain analysis, while a new emergency off-road assist system helps the vehicle navigate tough conditions safely. What truly sets the EQG apart is its ability to blend extreme off-road capability with luxury and zero-emissions performance. Unlike many other electric SUVs, it doesn't sacrifice ruggedness for sustainability. The 4-motor setup gives it an unprecedented level of control on tricky terrain, while its G-Turn and Creep mode ensure the EQG remains as capable as its gas-powered predecessors. Plus, the combination of the iconic G-Class look with futuristic EV elements makes it a standout choice for those who want both status and sustainability. With all this innovation, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG doesn't come cheap. While Mercedes hasn't officially announced pricing, industry insiders expect it to start around $150,000, potentially climbing higher depending on options and special trims. This positions it in the same league as high-end electric SUVs like the Rivian R1S, Tesla Model X Plaid, and even its own AMG G63 sibling. So, does the 2025 Mercedes-Benz EQG live up to the G-Class reputation? Absolutely. It keeps the rugged charm of the original while pushing the boundaries of electric technology, making it one of the most exciting luxury SUVs of the decade. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or a city dweller looking for an electrified status symbol, the EQG is a bold statement of what the future of adventure looks like. What do you think? Would you take the EQG over a traditional G-Wagon? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth car content. Thanks for watching CarCoutureTV, and we'll see you in the next one.